Little bitty bitty crew. The little bitty bitty crew. The little bitty bitty crew. What's up, little crewy? What's up, little bitty? What's your little bitties? What's your little bitty? Come here, mama. Come on. Waiting on you, Mac 10. They waiting on you, Mac 10. Everybody's waiting on you, Mac 10. Where my Juju at? Man, y'all here giving my chickens hell. Y'all giving hell to my chickens, man. Giving chicken hair going on up in here. Got eggs on the floor. Chicken head, with chicken head in, yeah. Chicken head. What up, Jew? What's up, Jew, with all these damn birds, huh? What you popping with all these damn whacker-tackers? All these smacker-dackers. Y'all got eggs on the dizzy. Y'all trying to wait to lay some eagles? Let's see what y'all got for me. One day. Oh, we got some pretty maroon ones. You see these maroon ones? Look. Pretty maroon eggs. That's pretty. Go on. Let's see. Can I see? Oh, you got some pretty speckled green ones. We're not gonna bother the hen. She's laying an egg. Move, Juju. Oh, yeah. We eggy around here. Oh, we gotta get this one. Wow. Very pretty, very pretty. Tuck that back there for safety reasons. Juju, get out of there now. Now! Leave my breakfast alone. It's a liability. They're out feeding you. God dang, guineas have been laying. It's a pretty one. It's kind of light. Okay, yeah, keep it up, keep it up. Keep up the good work. Go get my basket so I can get these eggs up. Come on, Joe. Come on, Joe. Wonder when these guys will start laying eggs. I check every day and still nothing. Juju, don't be looking at my rooster like that. He ain't lunch. He's supper. He ain't breakfast. He's lunch. What's up, pretty girl? Oh yeah, for real? When y'all gonna lay some damn eggs? When y'all gonna lay some eggs? Your eye looks better. Huh? When y'all gonna lay me some eggs? Oh yeah, your eye looks 100%. It probably ain't your eye, is it? Oh, your eye looks really good. Let's see the other one. Can we turn it around? Oh yeah, it's getting better. I can see the eyeball now. That's a good deal. It's good when you can see the eyeballs. It's when you can't see the eyeballs, that's when it's crazy. Drew, leave my babies alone. The guinea's finna get crushed. What's up, player? What's up, player? You pimpin' skinny. Pimp skinny in the hizzle. Rizzo. Let's go check out our other babies. What's up, rooster with the most? That's the rooster with the most. What's up, pimp? What's up, Pimp Skinny? You the rooster with the muzzle? You the rooster with the most? Man, I just gave y'all water and food and look at it. Dang, I drank all that water and ate all that food. What the hell's really going on? What happens when they ain't got luggage? Y'all wanna go up in there? Oh, y'all want that food. Okay, here. Here you go. Go get you some of that dog food. Check out our baby. What's up, flockers? You got all this space. All this damn space. What are y'all doing with it? But my boys over here, y'all got them all smash mouth. Got my boys over here smash mouth. Man, y'all ate all that food? Y'all lounging and profiling. These are all purebred. All different kind of purebred birds. There's Jerky the turkey. What's up, Turkey Jerky? Come here, Jerky. What you doing, Jerky? Jerky! Jerky, you cleaning the poop off your feet? I'm talking to you, Jerky. Tuffy. Tuffy the turkey. Gangster as can be. He's Tuffy the turkey. He's straight up a OG. Jerky the turkey is an OG pimp. Look at that girl, smart. She's the only smart one. Rest of y'all, I'm gonna call y'all not the smartest ones. What's up, Bill? Freak. I'm gonna follow these chickens, see where they're laying my eggs at, because they been hiding my eggs. They like to hide my eggs. We want to make it a Easter egg hunt every damn day. They know where the bugs are. I mean, I just let 100 birds out. Where the hell are they? They're going somewhere every day. Something fell over here on our stuff. I know I had 10 up there. I had to grab them 10 back off that shit. Weak looking 10. Yeah, that shit you come from. Tree fell. I have to redo that quail box. Where y'all got my eggs at? Where my eggs at? Oh shit. Bingo! Y'all got a million eggs in there. Snatch! I just found your spot. What the hell? Oh, what's up, girl? Who the hell ain't that? Hey, pretty. Juju! Leave my babies alone, Joe! Leave my queen bees alone. Oh, pan, fly, trumpet, and pipe. Hold on. I've been let all y'all out. One chisel at a isle for Rizzo. Hey! Alright, let me get water and food for these guys. Just a little walk on the farm. You have a blessed day. Remember, through God, all things are possible. Man, you going for that big boy? Man, you got some big old skis. You a big old pimp. Pimp skinny. Pimp skinny. Yay.